start new chapter, that is time. Chapter 12, time. Okay, page number 179. How we can tell time after watching the clock? This is a clock. This clock has numbers from 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Between two numbers there are small 5 lines. Each line represents 1 minute. Look here, 12 to 1, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4, 5, so on. So, if we move from 12 to 1, it means big hand covers 5 minutes. In a clock there are two hands. This is small hand, this is big hand. Big hand represent minutes, or we can say it is minute hand, and small hand represent hours, and it is hour hand. Small hand जिस नंबर पर होगा उतने ही टाइम होगा. Suppose it is at 6, so time is 6 o'clock. If it is at 7, time is 7 o'clock. Big hand moves from one number to another and time changes. Suppose now big hand is at 12. When it moves 12 to 1, it means time will be 6:05. एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर में जाने पर टाइम 5 मिनट्स चेंज हो जाता है. इफ बिग हैंड इज एट 1 एंड इट मूव्स एट 2, तो टाइम विल बी 6:10. we can multiply number by 5. Suppose big hand is at 3, it means time is 15 minutes. Big hand is at 4, time is 20 minutes. Big hand is at 5, time is 25 minutes. 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, 60 minutes. जब टाइम पूरा 60 मिनट होता है तो 1 आवर कंप्लीट हो जाता है. 1 आवर कंप्लीट हो जाता है. और स्मॉल हैंड जो है इट विल मूव फ्रॉम 6 to 7. तो टाइम विल बी 7 o'clock. बेटा देर आर टू हैंड्स, आवर हैंड एंड मिनट हैंड. When minute hand moves, the time changes. According to minute hand, small hand also changes. Okay. Look at this clock. Now, small hand is at 11. It means time is 11 o'clock. How many minutes are there? It is at 3. It means it is at 3 and one line, one division. After 3, there is one more minute. It means 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 minutes. So time is 11:16. Better look carefully. Big hand is at 1 point more than 3. At 3, the time is 15 minutes. 5 3s are 15 minutes and plus 1. Time is 16 minutes. So time is 11:16. Here, small hand is at 8. So time is 8. And big hand is between 12 and 1. You have to count lines 1, 2, 3, 4. So time is 8:04. Here in this clock, small hand is between 1 and 2. So time is 1. बेटा यहाँ 2 नहीं लिखना है, 2 से क्रॉस नहीं किया, ये between 1 and 2 है. So time is 1. And minutes between 8 and 9. 8 5s are 40, 41, 42. It means time is 1:42. Write the time to the next exact minute. Small hand is at 11, so 11, 15, 16, 17, 18. 11, 18. So like this you can do all questions. Now exercise 12.1. We will write AM or PM. We will learn AM and PM. A day has 24 hours. When the hour hand of a clock goes around the clock once, 12 hours will be passed. The clock shows 9. It may be 9 in the evening or in the morning or in the evening. बेटा टाइम दो तरह से होता है, एक होता है मॉर्निंग में, एक होता है इवनिंग में. We will use AM or PM to show the timings. A new day begins at 12 o'clock midnight. A new day begins at 12 o'clock midnight. You celebrate your birthday at 12 midnight now. So new day starts at 12 o'clock midnight and ends at 12 o'clock the next midnight. You can say that at 11:59 it will ends. You can use AM antemeridiem. This is a full form of AM antemeridiem and PM for post meridiem. AM antemeridiem, PM post meridiem. We use AM for the time from 12 midnight to 12 noon. रात के 12 बजे से लेकर 12 noon will use AM and from 12 noon to 12 midnight we use PM. Look at this figure. Midnight to noon AM, noon to midnight PM. Question A. Write the time using AM or PM. 5:25 in the morning. So it will be 5:25 AM. Small AM you will write for antemeridiem. 2:25 in the afternoon. ये noon के बाद है. So 2:20 PM. 12:30. Question 3. 12:30 at night. At night. So new day will start. Time will be 12:30 AM. 12:30 AM. 10:05 in the morning will be 10:05 AM. 6:15 in the evening. So time will be in PM. 6:15 PM. 3:10 at night. So time will be 3:10 AM. Beta, because new day starts at 12 midnight. So it will be in AM. Write the time 1 hour before 7:30 AM. Before, so 6:30 AM. 1 PM. So 12 noon, beta. 12 noon. Yes. 12:30 PM. Beta, this time is at night. 12:30 night. 12:30 night. So sorry, this time is afternoon. 12:30 PM afternoon. So 1 hour before will be 11:30 AM. 12:30 time ये दोपहर का टाइम है PM, because after 12 noon PM starts. After 12 noon PM starts. So it is 11:30 AM. 12:45 AM. ये मिडनाइट के बाद वाला टाइम है, तो टाइम क्या हो जाएगा 11:45 PM. 4:05 PM. 3:05 PM. 1 AM. 1 AM तो 12 midnight. 12 midnight. 12 midnight you always write midnight. 12 noon you always write noon. Don't write AM or PM with midnight or noon. Okay. Now question C. Write the time 1 hour after. 1 hour after 1:05 PM to 5 PM. It's afternoon time. 11:15 AM to 12:15 PM. Better, because 12 noon PM time starts. 6 AM, 7 AM. 11 PM, 12 midnight. रात का टाइम है ना बेटा, तो मिडनाइट हो जाएगी उसके बाद. 9:30 PM, 10:30 PM. 7:40 AM, 8:40 AM. Beta, revise AM and PM and do exercise 12.1. Bye bye. Have a nice day.